We got a flashlight right there. We need to take it on. We're switching next lap. We're in first place on the 2 hours. He just didn't.
It needs some tape. It needs some tape up here somewhere.
Are you guys pulling off? What do you got going on? There we go. Extra. The darker it gets, the better it's going to be.
Oh, that's pretty good light, yeah. Not bad. So what do you think, an hour on these bulbs, these batteries?
It says 200 hours.
On what? So how is it out there?
It's kind of choppy. It's getting dark. It's getting kind of hard to see the holes. Next session out, we should be switching to headlights, which is going to be interesting because it's really hard to see. None of these bikes really come equipped with headlights, so we're having to run flashlights. Speed should slow way down. You know, it just makes it really hard to see, you know, plus the added weight on your helmet. You're running about, feels like about 4 extra pounds on your head. I know it's not, but when you strap it to your helmet.
So you're going to run one on your helmet too?
I've got 3 on my helmet.
3 on your helmet?
Actually 4.
Battery on your backpack or something?
No, I got just a whole bunch of extra, you know, Duracell.
So how's the light working for you? It looks like green. It's a 6-volt system with what?
12-volt light. That's probably the best idea yet.
Yeah, and I think that we have a winner for the light. What we got here is a 6-volt system. He said he's putting out over about 100 amps. So what he's done is put a rectifier on it and put a 12-volt bulb with it, so he doesn't have to worry about when he gets it revved out. If the voltage is too high, it would pop a 6-volt bulb, so he's got a 12-volt bulb. Look at this tire, man. There's absolutely no knobs left on this tire. Oh, here comes the light. We're out here at Boondoxxx. We just passed the 4-hour mark, and I'm sitting here with my new buddy, Jonathan. So Jonathan, did you make 4 hours on your ride tonight?
No.
So, man, how cool is it to have a bunch of big guys that are your buddies?
Good.
Yeah, you like that?
Yep.
Yeah. So now when the sun went down and you had lights on your helmet, we saw that, and you got this cool glow stick back here. Was it scary out there in the dark?
No.
Really?
Only when you hit the drop down over there.
I bet, because your lights like stick out in the open air and you can't really see where you're going. So would you like to be a professional racer someday?
Yep.
What would be your favorite bike?
LEM or Honda.
A Lim or a Honda. Do you have any heroes that are riders? Who's your hero?
Ricky Carmichael.
Well, I tell you what, I am really impressed with you. You look like you ride really good. I was watching you around all the places on the track. You ride really good, so just keep up the good work and ride safe.
Okay.
And it's good to meet you. See you later.
There.
Yeah, there you go.
There it is.
Looked like he's in a hurry there.
I was. It was important that I peed right then.
We're way past the 4-hour mark out here at Boondoxxx, and this is the first annual 6-hour endurance.
Yeah, it's the first annual 6-hour endurance race for pit bikes.
I heard earlier you were talking to some guys about the debris around the track, the parts and motorcycles.
Yeah, there's probably technically right now enough stuff out on the track that you could almost build a whole motorcycle with parts that are laying out there. There's mufflers and flashlights and plastic, and I mean, there's bikes laying off in the trees, and we're just.
We see one big gash in a guy's foot out there a while ago. There's been, besides the gash, there's been a handful of cases of monkey butt, a couple of baboon asses.
It's gone straight past monkey butt to baboon ass. It's they'll probably wake up in the morning and their shorts will be stuck to their butt, and it's you have to develop a callus on your ass for riding 50s. That's all there is to it. We had a large portion back here in the trees, but we can't run it because it rained so much in the last 2 weeks. You can't tell it by looking. It's dry and dusty, but it's rained so much in the last 2 weeks that the back part of the track's underwater. So we had 2 days to come up with everything we built out here.
Well, so you guys going to come back and do it again?
Yeah, man. I plan on coming back and doing it again, man. We set the track up, and I hope everybody's happy with it. It had a really big turnout. It was a lot larger than what I thought it was going to be, And Hubert and Pam out here at Boondoxxx just pretty much gave us free reign on what we're going to do on the track, and we had our own agenda of what we wanted to do, and we built it. I mean, I guess if you build it, they'll come.